Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we've got a special unboxing, something coming in from Safco. But yeah, let's take a look together. Alright, today I'm opening up my box with my Numb KnifeWorks N1. This is the Cornerstone. Love this little guy. Alright, let's see what we have here. Oh, okay. This is Spyderco from Tactical Surplus. I'm not sure what this is. Okay. Oh, the Microjimbo. Very cool. Very cool. All right. I thought I ordered this from another company, but maybe I ordered it from here. All right. All right. This is the Microjimbo. Oh, this is the CPM. Let's look at it. The CPM S90V blade steel. You see that? Carbon fiber. Oh, that's nice. Carbon all the way through carbon fiber. That's true carbon fiber. Nice. Nice. Look at that. Whoops. There you go. It's a little smaller, so you got to get a little lower to flick that up, right? Or else I'm going to have to do the slow roll. Now, I don't know of anybody who makes scales right now. Dead nut centered, wire clip, reverse flickable. Look at that. It does take a CME, so we could probably put a CME on here. I got to get used to that. There we go, get a little lower. Now, if I'm a little bit higher, there you go, just get the right angle. So, not quite broken in yet. But that's to be expected. Oh, one thing I forgot. I forgot to turn on a light. Give you a better view here, a better light. You can see this. I think that's nice carbon fiber. You can see that all the way through. So, I don't know. Some people maybe call this peel ply. I don't know. It just looks like straight up carbon fiber. Feels like textured right there, all the way through, front and back. It's carbon fiber as far as I'm concerned. Whether it's a special one or not, it's not layered carbon fiber on top of G10, I'll tell you that. All right, so let's see, how does it feel? All right, so we can get a nice grip like that. Very good. I thought I ordered this from Freedom Knife Shop, but maybe that's another means for it to come through. So anyways, let's see here. I like that. I like that. There we go. Look at that. Very cool. All right. So one thing I've noticed, wire clip, smaller wire clips, not a big, huge one like you typically get. Reversible, right hand, left hand tip up carry. Got the T, looks like a T8 or T10. Looks like T8's actually there. Got the little stop pin right there. Golden, Colorado is USA made, S90V blade steel, crazy sharp. Still going to have the tactical ability for pull cut, push cut, and all sorts of stuff. Yeah, that's going to be pretty stinking neat. We've got a little wire clip there. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see what wire clips I have, and maybe we'll replace it. I find this funny. So do you think I buy a lot of Spydercos with all these Spyderco clips in here? This is just the ones that I didn't put back in the bag. Yeah, so there you go. I do have two, it looks like, in here. I have this one, and then I have one of the, oh yeah, this is the Quite Carry one. This is not quite carry. It's a little, I don't know, not quite as thick. So we can go with that, or we can go with the wire. Some of you guys are gonna be like, just do the wire. I mean, I will tell you, Quite Carry makes the best wire clip out there, but it is titanium, so we might just do that. Let's go ahead and put that on real quick since we're here. Typically, I would get the whole kit out, but we're not going to modify anything else. We're just going to replace the wire clip. So that's what it looks like with that. And then that's what it looks like with that. I don't know. I'm always up in the air about this, so I think I'm going to go with this for now. This is one of these, I don't really know if anybody does any mods on scales, so most likely these scales are going to be, these are going to remain. I may chamfer them a little bit, like around here where it's a little sharper, and I may put a CME on there. So this will go into my massively large bag of Spyderco clips of all the different Spydercos I've modded. And this one we'll put back in here. So we still have another wire clip just in case. So there we go. Yeah. Very cool. I just recently did some cards, so I've got some ink on me. One other thing I might have, let me see if I have a CME, just so we can see which one we might want to put on. So I have two options that I have in stock, or in here, without having to order one, is I could do a green one, like this. That's pretty much ready to go, with minimal work. Oh yeah. This one I'm feeling I might have to do a bit because it's going to stick over. Yeah, and it's red. It really stands out. It's cool, but it's a little too much. The green, I don't know. I could do the green with the carbon fiber. I know some of you guys are like, that doesn't match. Yeah, probably not, but I dig it. I kind of like it. It's got a little silver there in there, so it kind of matches some of the other stuff, and it's just got a unique color to it. If I ever get a green clip, that would match pretty good. And that would make this like, so I can open and close it like that. Yeah, we might put that on. I think I'll do the green. I don't have a black one, so you know, we have to watch what we buy. We've spent quite a bit, and I gotta have a knife sale here coming up. But there we go. Yeah, that Yojimbo, Microjimbo is pretty cool. I do like that. That's kind of neat. So, just out of curiosity, if you wanted to compare it to the Yojimbo version 2, so there's the Yojimbo version 2 and there's the Microjimbo. So you kind of get to see a size difference, right? So this is obviously bigger, a lot more room you can choke up, plenty of room there. Definitely for a pull cut, push cut, going through plastic, whatever. Nice big hollow grind right there. Obviously, I've had a little CME on this one installed. I could not transfer that over. This has really been thinned out because it's much less access to this one here. But this one seems to have way more access, so. That's pretty cool. Yeah. All right. This is a Spy 27 one on this guy. This was S90V blade steel. I don't know if you can see that. All right, let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see a close-up of this. So there's that beautiful flat grind, Golden Colorado. Nice satin finish on there. Definitely what I would consider a Warncliffe, right? And then we've got a little flat spot up here you can definitely choke up on. Carbon fiber, you can see a nice little chamfering out there. That's nice. Different screws right there. Reversible clip. You can see standoffs back up there. There's the compression lock fully engaged right in there. I'm just going to say good 40-50%, right? And then you have in here, you have the steel liners. No weight relief because it's small. It's not necessary. The balance, even without any weight relief, is right there, pretty much dead nut centered. Here you have the clip, which could be reversible. I did put the white carry clip on there. I prefer this clip over. It's more solid. Doesn't bend as much. Though I think I might want to get a titanium clip the more I think about it, but that's okay. Then you have, again, there's the compression lock from underneath. You can see where it's easy to grip right there, right? So, and again, you can also see the carbon fiber on the inside there, and you can see it in the layers there as well. So I think that's pretty cool. So there you go. Very nice. And there's the blade over here, Golden Colorado. You see the little design logo over here. You see the Spyderco CPM S90V, the Spyderco logo right there. and that's a designer maker. I forget the gentleman's name. I know I should know this. You know what? It's probably in the box if we look at it. Sprint Run Microjimbo. Yeah, Michael Janich. It's the Microjimbo. Is a scaled down expression of the iconic YoJimbo 2. So, and this S90V, first defined feature is crafted in rich crucible CPM S90V advanced powder metallurgy, stainless steel enriched with vanadium. CPM S90V high vanadium content favors a formation of hard vanadium carbides instead of chromium carbides, increasing the steel's wear resistance and edge retention properties while leaving additional free chromium available to enhance corrosion resistance. So there you go. Very cool. I think that's pretty neat. So let's get a nice little picture of this guy. What do y'all think? Here we go. And let's look at the back. What do y'all think of that? Very nice. I like that S90V. I don't know if I had any S90V left. Oh, I did. I had my Sage 6, that's right. So there you go. Which I think, no, I thought I was carrying it right now. I thought I carried it earlier today. Very cool. I do like the full flat grind, definitely. Let's see here. Definitely could be slow rolled, right? That's nice. And both left hand, right hand slow roll. Right now you can close it like this over here and then close it one-handed. But it'd be nice to have a little CME on there. The edges aren't too terribly sharp. I might file them down. It's a little sharper here. This is an area where I probably would file them. But otherwise, not bad. Again, when I flick this way, I got to make sure I come up this way, not out. When I'm up here, I go out. See, I'm not going to get it, but if I'm up here, I go up. It's fine. So there you go. And I think this is kind of breaking in a little bit now. Can I get it to close? Yeah, now I can. Nice. So there you go. Very cool little knife. We'll definitely do a full review on this one. I like it. I like the YoJimbo too. I didn't think I would, but I really do dig that one too. So now I really do dig the YoJimbo, the Microjimbo. I think that's really cool. And that's the Microjimbo carbon fiber S90V. So very cool. All right, y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, or informative, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well. I know people say this all the time, but it really does mean a lot. Subscribing and liking the channel, it helps me. It helps me a lot. Allows the channel to grow, allows me to do more things, and ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone out there. Appreciate you. If you haven't already, maybe also consider hitting the notification button down below so you can be notified of future content. And just thank you to y'all. Thank you, every one of you. But a big thank you to my channel members, because you do two things. Because of your membership, you encourage me, and I really do mean that. Thank you. And also, because of your generous support through your membership, you allow me to do things sooner than I thought I could. I spent over $400, probably $500, probably more than that in shipping last month, which was a lot. Every bit of any money I made for that channel, it went back to everything, and then I put some more in. So I appreciate you guys every time you do that. So thank you. You're just huge. I wouldn't be able to do those things otherwise, and probably went a little overboard more than I should have. But you know what? You guys were worth it, and it's not something I get to do all the time. And I don't know if I'll ever be able to do it again. I don't know. I'd love to do it for 25, but we will see if it happens. If we can get enough things going for that, it definitely would be a goal of mine. But it's my way to say thank you. And so because of your generous support, helping the channel, that support, the memberships, you allow me to do once a week budget banger giveaways. You allow me to cover cost of shipping for all these things. I just wanted you to know, thank you, and I want to do two things for you. First, all brand new channel members, please email me your name and address and say you're a brand new channel member, because I'd love to mail you your channel sticker and a thank you note. And I do handwrite those. Secondly, if you're a channel member, you're eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month, we'll have 2 giveaways, and you're eligible for both of them. You could win both. It's happened one time. It's rare, but it could happen. And I try to make the members giveaway something a little bit better than the budget banger, something hopefully you would enjoy winning a surprise or giving as a gift. So that's my small way to say thank you. And if you want to become a member, if that sounds interesting, there is a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you as a member. Don't feel pressure in any way to become a member. If you do, just enjoy the channel, enjoy the content, be part of the community. I appreciate you. But if you happen to want to become a member, if you choose to do so, thank you. Sincerely, thank you. I'm humbled. I'm grateful. All right. Yeah, some of you guys are going to say, well, what about some of the... Yes, it does include the special emojis for comments and for the live stream. Yes, it does include kazoo salutes. Yes, it does include the 1 year, 2 year, 3 year special anniversary cards. It does include exclusive content. Yes, all that. All that's my small way for me to say thank you to you guys. If it does sound cool, love to have you. And if not, no worries, right? Just appreciate you being here. All right. If you haven't already, maybe consider checking me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.